Fresh zucchini straight from the garden to your plate. Today I'm going to show you how to make this delicious zucchini chickpea curry all in one pot. Yes, I'm going to use Instant Pot and it's just going to be done in 5 minutes. Thanks to my wonderful neighbor and friend Jessica for sharing these zucchini straight from her garden. So let's see how to make these and let's get started. Welcome to Shine with Shobs. This channel is all about making you shine with my healthy diet and building your emotional strength. So make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any new updates from me. Rinse the zucchini under cold running water. Rub any dirt or soil from the skin. These are all of different size and shape. This one is pale green in color and the other one is yellow in color. They are so tender you can eat it raw, use it in salad or cook it the way you like. Zucchini skin is so soft, thin, perfectly edible and filled with nutrients. Did you know that zucchini also has a small amount of zinc which helps promote hair growth, and vitamin C will take care of our skin. As I'm cutting, I can see how tender they are that I have to taste. This also contains plenty of vitamin A which boosts your immunity and eye health. High antioxidant and contributes to healthy digestion. Helps in reducing blood sugar level. Adding zucchini leaves. These are edible. Leaves from young plant are better for cooking because they are less bitter. In the Instant Pot, turn the saute mode on. Add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. It's nice and hot. Then add 1 teaspoon cumin seeds or jeera. Let it splutter. The aroma is fantastic. To this, add 10 cloves of chopped garlic and 1-inch ginger, 1 large red onion diced. Now I'm adding the chopped zucchini leaves. Mix well together and saute until the onion is translucent. Add 1 teaspoon of pink Himalayan rock salt. And here comes my secret ingredient, Madras Samba powder, blend of roasted spices giving it a unique flavor. It's used a lot in South Indian cuisine. Mix well and now add 2 tomatoes pureed. This will enhance the flavor of this curry. Saute for 30 seconds until the raw smell goes away. Now let's add in the zucchini, so fresh. Then add 1 cup of boiled chickpeas or 1 can of chickpeas drained. This will help the curry with some yummy texture and taste. You're going to love it. Add 1 cup of water first. Stir to see if you need more according to the consistency you like. I'm looking for a bit soupy consistency, so adding 1 more cup of water, so I used 2 cups in total. This looks good. Everyone has their own preference. I like it this way. Now close the lid. This Instant Pot Duo Gourmet seals by itself, and press the pressure cook mode on. I'm setting it up for 5 minutes on high. At this point, I don't have to wait here. I'm just going to get back to my work. I don't have to worry about the sealing position. Once the pressure builds, the float valve will come up, and if you notice, the keep warm button is on, which is nice. You can turn off or leave it on. If you don't have an Instant Pot, you can easily make it in any saucepan. It's a 1-pot meal. It's all done now. Very important, before opening the lid, make sure the small float valve is down. This shows the pressure is completely released and safe to open the lid. Wow, beautiful. Look at the color and texture. Looks so yummy. easy, delicious lunch or dinner fixed in 5 minutes. Serve it hot. I'm going to drizzle some lime juice to it. The flavors are going to explode in your mouth. And now garnish with fresh coriander leaves. This one-pot zucchini chickpea curry turned out delicious. Have it with fresh baked bread, roti, or simply enjoy it like a soup. I got 4 servings out of this. You can prepare it ahead of time and store it in the fridge, or simply enjoy it as a weekend dinner or lunch. If you're looking for a quick lunch or dinner recipe, this zucchini chickpea curry will come in handy. So if you like this recipe, do share it with your friends and stay tuned for another exciting recipe, and don't forget to shine with Shobs.